guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to something a bit different. Yes, you heard me, something a bit different. Yes, still makeup, but I've actually got some Debenham vouchers for Christmas and my birthday, and I'd saved some up, and also I'd been using top cashback, which is great, and sort of save some money up and whatever, and you can convert money on top cashback into Debenham's vouchers and you get like an extra bonus. And I saved some stuff up and I managed to get myself a treat. I got two treats. I'm going to show one of them to you now. But I am so excited because I've been lusting after this palette for so long. And I mean so long. And it is the Festival palette by Too Faced. I mean, look at the packaging. Just look at that. I mean, who's going to want to throw this box away? Seriously. I mean, on the side, it's got like 100% magical, 100% mystical, 100% Too Faced, and then you've got two little unicorns. On the back, you have the rainbow, and you have, obviously, the colours. And it's called Life's a Festival. It is just beautiful. And that's just the box. So what's it going to look like on the inside? We're now going to have a look. So the inside. Okay, open her up. And on the inside, whoop, right, okay, first of all, oh yeah, I got a free little sample as well because I spent over £50 on Too Faced, and that was a Too Faced Shadow Insurance. So I will try that out, let you guys know how I get on. And you also get, where is she? Where's she gone? Here she is. You also get like a little booklet as well, where you've got different looks in that you can recreate. So I think this is like really good as well, and like I think this comes with all of their stuff that they do, all their palettes, to show what you can get up to with it. Not what you can get up to with it, I know what I meant. So you've got some gorgeous looks there as well, which I just think is great. So if you are a bit of a beginner and you don't know what to do, you've got somewhere to go, you've got something to look at and something to copy, which I think is great. And now the palette. Oh, look at this. Look, just I mean, look at this unicorn, right? Unicorn is just golden glittery. And then you've got hologram on it as well. And this is cushioned, it's soft. On the back, not really a lot, apart from the fact it's a rainbow and absolutely gorgeous. And it just says ethereal eyeshadow and highlighter palette. So, yeah, I mean, just look at this. I'm going to have to bring this in close. I mean, look at this. Look at this, guys. Just look. Which is absolutely fantastic. And then inside. Ooh. Inside, this is what it looks like inside the package. You do have a mirror. Obviously, I don't want to show the mirror too much because it's going to show you everything that's in my studio. But you've got the mirror, and it is all like hologram packaging as well. And also what you can do is bend this over as well, so you can, if you want to. I don't want to because I don't want to ruin it. You've got, it's magnetic, so it's like a book, but it's magnetic, which is great. Inside you have all these beautiful shimmers. You have 12 eyeshadows, and then you have an highlighter as well, which is unicorn tears. So I'm now going to do a close-up of this for you so that you can have a better look. Okay, so what do you think? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it is just stunning. It's just really, really pretty. So I'm going to do some swatches for you now as well, so that you can have a look and see what you think. Obviously, I haven't touched this palette. I haven't dipped my fingers in it or anything. So all these that you see are me seeing these for the very first time. And I'm going to swatch them now. So those are your colours. So I'm going to go through the names of these because some of the names of these are just absolutely funny. It's really brilliant. So you've got Young and Free, which is this gorgeous pink colour, which is matte, which is great because you can use this as like a transition colour to, you know, give you a nice sort of pop of pink. Then you've got this Euphoric, which is like a rose gold shimmer. Then we have Desert Vibes, which is slightly darker matte, which is a warm brown, which is very, very pretty. Then we have Rainbow Life, which is sort of like a matte with sparkles in. Then we have Sunset Dream, which is another, looks like a satin, which has also got like sparkles in. Then we have Beamin', not Beaming, but Beamin', which is this warm, champagne-y, sort of goldy, sort of creamy light colour. And then we have Fun in the Sun, which is this gorgeous like gold shimmer. Then we have this gold here, which is called Fireflies, which I think looks like it's got a slight greeny sort of undertone to it. Mystic Rain, which looks like a two-tone pink. Fantasy, which is sort of a purple but more on the red side, I would say. Artist Pass, which looks very much like I can't even remember the name of it. It's an Urban Decay colour, which is like this, and it's also duped in quite a few of the Revolution palettes, and one of them is Petrol, I believe, in the Soph palette. So that is like that. And then there is Dusk Teal Dawn, and that is this gorgeous tealy colour shimmer here. And then in the middle you have your highlighter, which is Unicorn Tears, which just look absolutely divine. And it's got this beautiful iridescence to it, which I think is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So you've seen the swatches already anyway. So yeah, I'm really excited to have a go with this. This is £35, by the way. Now, when I bought this, Debenhams, we had got a 10% off if you used a code, and I think it was FC69, I think. And it was 10% off. I don't know if it's 10% off everything, but it was 10% off beauty. So I done really, really well because obviously I got my beauty club card points as well. And I also went through Top Cashback, which gave me, I think, 5% back. Also the 10% off. So, I mean, I had vouchers for around £50 and it ended up costing me about £17 actually. So I'm really, really pleased because I also bought along with this another palette, but I'm going to show you that in a different video because that one is just very, very dreamy. So I'll give you some lowdown now on this. One thing I will say is it's got a very sort of citrusy smell to it. It reminds me of, yeah, it's like a lemony orangey smell. So very, very nice indeed. So on the packaging, let's have a look and see if it tells you what we've got in here. Okay, so 12 eyeshadows, and they are 0.80 grams each, 0.3 ounces, which, funny enough, are the same size in weight as the Regeneration Pro palettes from Revolution Pro. Just the only reason I know that is because I've been filming all day today and I've been given the weights out and it's exactly the same. Not really a coincidence, but I just thought I'd mention it. So yeah, and then you've got the shadow stroke highlighter, and that is 3 grams of product. That's a lot of product, 3 grams. A lot of product. It's got 12-month shelf life on it, and this was made in last year. So 100% magic, 100% mystique. So I will just read out the back description on the back of the box, which says, life's a festival and this ethereal palette of duochromatic shadows shift in colour and a happy mix of bold creamy mattes, pearlescent pops of mystical shades and an exclusive unicorn tears highlighter for face and eyes based on our best-selling lipstick colour. For dreamy depth and dimension, mix the formulas together to achieve a high impact out of this world festival finish. The entire shadow formula is infused with rose quartz powder to add some love energy to your makeup and a fresh dreamy scent that will leave you with an enchanting ethereal festival vibe. So yeah, I mean, I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, obviously, I can't tell you how the performance of it is until I have done an eye look with it and I have tried it out. But if you would like me to do an eye look, then I most certainly will. But yeah, what a gorgeous, gorgeous little palette. And how pretty is that? Just the packaging. Just the packaging. And as you can imagine, Sophia came home from school and she was like, oh, Mummy, unicorns, unicorns. And I'm like, unicorns. I just love this gold unicorn here. Gold unicorns are just so in at the moment. They are just everywhere. And long may that continue because beautiful. We're all about mystical, mythical. And now that we're going into the festival season, I think this could be just magic. Absolutely magic. I mean, obviously, I wouldn't wear a look from this going to school. Probably not. I would probably get looked at quite a lot and get people look at me and think, huh? I don't know. What I am going to do though, I have got some highlight on, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my highlight brush and see if we can get that to, see if we can just give me a little bit more of a, oh, look at me. I have got runny mascara. No, that's not good. That is because I've been outside hanging my linen up and I have got hay fever because the plants are out, our pollen count is up, my eye's been streaming, and it would have helped if I'd put waterproof mascara on today. So anyway, let's just have a little try. Let's just see how this goes, shall we? Now I have already got highlighter on, but oh, whoa, look at that. Look at that! Oh, beautiful. Got to do the other side because I've got a twit. But oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Let's put some on the end of my nose. Now I can never see it on the end of my nose. A little bit up here as well because I didn't put any highlighter on up there earlier. So, oh, that is pretty. That is so, so pretty. Can't wait to use this. Can't wait to use it. I can't wait to give you the full lowdown on how this actually performs. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you I hope it helps you decide whether you want to buy it or not, because I know that a lot of the time, a lot of palettes and whatever, you know, you see them online and they don't look anything like what you think when they actually arrive. So I'll just give you one more close up. Look at that holographic packaging. That is holosexual. Just look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So, yeah. Very in love. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done already and give us a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Ta-ta for now. Bye.